Today I'm going to be showing you guys a unit from the company RPGSHOW. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below for you guys, and I'm going to make sure to leave some unboxing. But in this box, they did include a wig cap, and then you also get this wig storage bag, this envelope with your order information on it. They also included this install kit, which I thought was pretty cool. This has a pair of little shears, which I will be using. And then it also has this little spoolie, some tweezers. And then they also included this razor to cut off your lace. Now me, I prefer to cut it off with scissors because I ain't, you know, my hands ain't too steady for a razor. But if you like cutting your wig off with razors, then hey, there's one in this little kit. It does come free with orders over $250, and I will also make sure to leave a coupon down below for you guys. You guys, this cute bob unit, you guys know I love me a good bob. You just cannot go wrong with them, and I feel like they are great for all year round. Yes, they are. Now this unit does come with your 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back. Your adjustable strap also comes with this adjustable elastic band. To go ahead and put this unit on so you guys can see what it looks like before I do any extra work to it. Already comes parted on the right side. Of course, you can move the part around. Parting space on this unit is only a 13 by 4.5. So of course you get most of your parting space in the middle. Love the color on this and the texture, yes. And you get a little bit on the side, like where you can go further back. I think I'm actually going to rock this as a side part because I just did another bob and it was the middle part. So I kind of want to switch it up for you guys. So yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and leave this on the side. I'm just gonna kind of deepen the parting space. The cut on this is nice. This is only 10 inches. This is like a perfect length. I love this length, and it's one length all the way around, which works out great. And then of course the color on here is bomb. Go ahead and get to working on this unit. I think I might rock this Glueless instead of spraying adhesive, but I'll see once I get into the styling situation. But make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see the final look and also hear my final thoughts. So that's pretty much all I'm doing around the hairline. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue on with the rest of the styling. done styling this unit, and as you guys can see, it came out really cute. This was a very simple and easy install. All I did was use some olive oil mousse like I stated, and I just did my baby hairs. That's it. I will make sure to insert a clip of me lifting this lace up and putting it back down for any of you that might be having some doubts, but I didn't do anything else. It wasn't nothing else to be done. See, you can rock this glueless. All I did was put a little bit of powder in the front just to kind of conceal it a little bit more, and then I ended up putting some powder into the parting space area just to make it look more scalp-like. And like, it was easy. Simple and easy, which I love. Now this already came with a side part, but I decided to go over a little bit more just to kind of deepen it up. Now this is only, like I said, 4.5 inches of parting space up in here. So the more you go to the side, you might run into a track. So I had to kind of go back over here a little bit, but I don't feel like I was cheated too much, because there are some companies where it's only 4 inches of parting space, but it's like super short right here to where you can't really do too much. And their tracks are very, very flat. So even if you go over a little bit more, you can just put like a little bit of hair and it's going to cover it up with no issue. I did not wash this unit. I just pulled it out the box, and then I ended up plucking around the hairline a little bit more. So running the flat iron through it, it was like a light flat iron, because it pretty much already comes like this. I just needed to go over the parts that were in the box and they might have been bent up. It was mostly like in the front that I needed to tend to, but for the most part, I don't think you're gonna have any problems with this staying like this, like even if you wash this.